So in question number 7, cot theta is equals to 7 over 8. We have to evaluate 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Second part, we have to evaluate cot square theta. So in this, what we have to do, since cot theta is base over perpendicular, we will make again right angle triangle. Base will become 7, perpendicular is 8. By using Pythagoras theorem, we will find the hypotenuse. This is P, this is B. So hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus of base square. So perpendicular is 8, so it will become 8 square. Base is 7, so 7 square. 8 square is 64, 7 square is 49. I am getting h square as 113, which implies h becomes 113 under root. So hypotenuse is 113 under root. Okay. So what we need in the question? We need sine theta, we need cos theta, and we need cot theta. So for first question, we need sine theta. So sine theta is what? P over h. P is 8, hypotenuse is under root of 130. Similarly, cos theta is B over h. Base is 7 and hypotenuse is under root of 30. Okay, now since we know sine theta and cos theta, we will just put in the equation first to get the answer. So, 1 plus of sine theta, 1 minus of sine theta, 1 plus of cos theta, 1 minus of cos theta. Just put the value. 1 plus sine theta is 8 over under root of 113. 1 minus of 8 under root of 113. I'm just substituting the values. Cos is 1 plus 7 over 113. 1 minus 7 over 130. Okay. So it becomes of the form a plus b, a minus b. Okay. Since we know a plus b, a minus b becomes a square minus b square. So it will become 1 square minus of 8 over 113 under root whole square. Similarly, I got this. Okay, so 1 minus of 64 over 130 and 1 minus of what is 7 square? 7 square is 49. And one thing I would like to make you know that 113 square and square root will get cancelled out. It will become 130 only. That's why I am writing simple as 130. Okay, I will take the LCM. So 113 minus of 64 over 113. Similarly, 113 minus of 49 over 130. 113 will get cancelled out. So your answer becomes 49 over 64 for the first part. Similarly, for the second part, cot square theta. So cot is what? Base over perpendicular. So base is 7 over perpendicular is 8 whole square. It becomes 49 over 64. Hope you understood this. Let's take another question. Question number 8 is, if 3 cot A is equals to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A over 1 plus tan square A is equals to cos square A minus sin square A or not. अभी यहाँ पे हमें दिया हुआ है 3 cot A is equals to 4. That means what? Cot A is equals to 4 over 3. ये जो 3 है 4 के साथ डिवाइड हो जाएगा. Cot A we already know the formula. It's base over perpendicular. We will make one right angle triangle ABC. Okay, since angle A is given, हमने यहाँ पे angle A base पे लिया है. Base हमारा हो गया है 4, perpendicular is 3. Pythagoras theorem से we will find the hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, and this is base. So Pythagoras theorem says x square is equals to p square plus of b square. What is perpendicular? 3. That means 3 square. Base is 4. That means 4 square. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. It becomes 25. And hypotenuse is under root of 25. That is 5. तो हमें hypotenuse 5 मिल गया. अभी कुछ नहीं करना है, हमने सिर्फ tan A, cos A और sin A की वैल्यू निकाल लेनी है और इवेल्युएट करनी है. तो tan A is perpendicular over base. Perpendicular is 3 over base is 4. Similarly, cos A is base over hypotenuse. That means 4 over 5. And sin A is perpendicular over hypotenuse. That means 3 over 5. Okay, now we will evaluate. 1 minus tan square A over 1 plus tan square A. 1 minus of tan square A. Instead of tan A, I will put the value 3 over 4 whole square. 1 plus 3 over 4 whole square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Similarly, we will be getting 1 plus 9 over 16. We will take the LCM. 16 minus of 9 over 16 plus of 9 over 16. This 16 will get cancelled out. Okay. And the answer becomes 7 over 25. This is your LHS answer. Okay. Similarly, we will solve for RHS. It is cos square A minus of sin square A. So cos A is what? 4 over 5 whole square minus sin A is 3 over 5 whole square. So again 4 square is 16 over 25 minus of 9 over 25. Okay. So denominator is same. So 16 minus of 9 is 7 over 25. So here LHS is 7 over 25 and RHS is also 7 over 25. That means LHS is equals to RHS. So it means they are equal. Hope you understood. Let's take another question. So question number 9 is, in a triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A is equals to 1 over root 3, find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, second cos A cos C minus of sin A sin C. So सबसे पहले we will make one right angle triangle and it says it's right angle at B. तो B पे मैंने right angle बना लिया है. Okay, tan A is given 1 over root 3. This is perpendicular, this is base. So perpendicular is 1, base is root 3. तो दो साइड गिवन है. सबसे पहले हम लोग तीसरा साइड पता करेंगे by using Pythagoras theorem. So h square is equals to p square plus of b square. So perpendicular is 1 square, base is root 3 whole square. That means 1 plus of 3. It becomes 4. So hypotenuse square is equals to 4. That means hypotenuse क्या हो जाएगा? 2. So we are getting AC as 2. Okay. And now one thing. Tan A is 1 over root 3, right? Angle A is not at the base. So we have to make the angle at the base in order to find sin A, cos A. Okay. So I'll find sin A by rotating the triangle. अब इस तरीके से रोटेट करेंगे कि एंगल A हमारा बेस पे आ जाए. Okay. So जो हमारा बेस है वो परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगा एंड परपेंडिकुलर विल बिकम द बेस. ओके. So base is root 3. It will become perpendicular, that is root 3. एंड परपेंडिकुलर जो 1 है वो हमारा बेस हो जाएगा। इस तरीके से एंगल ए हमने बेस पे ले लिया है। तो और हाइपोटेन्यूज हमें पता है AC इज दैट इज 2। तो साइन ए क्या होता है फॉर्मूला, परपेंडिकुलर ओवर हाइपोटेन्यूज। परपेंडिकुलर क्या है √3 एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज इज 2। सिमिलरली फॉर cos A, perpendicular it's base over hypotenuse. Base is 1/2. Okay, now we have to find for cos C and sin C, क्योंकि हमारे इस दोनों क्वेश्चन में cos C पूछा गया है और एक sin C पूछा गया है। अब देखिए एंगल C, इन दोनों में से वो ट्रायंगल लेना है जो बेस पे हो ऑलरेडी। तो C हमारा ये वाले ट्रायंगल में बेस पे है, तो मैं ये नहीं ट्रायंगल कंसीडर करके आई विल कंसीडर दिस ट्रायंगल। ओके, तो cos C हो जाएगा हमारा बेस ओवर हाइपोटेन्यूज, दैट मींस √3/2, एंड sin C इज परपेंडिकुलर ओवर हाइपोटेन्यूज, परपेंडिकुलर इज 1/2। ओके, नाउ अभी हमें सारा वैल्यूज हमने निकाल लिया है, सिर्फ इवेल्युएट करना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C। sin A is √3/2, cos C is √3/2, cos A is 1/2, sin C is 1/2. Simply we will evaluate √3/2 whole square plus 1/2 whole square. That means what? Square and root will get cancelled out, so it will become 3/4 and 1/4. 4/4 first part का आंसर हमारा क्या आ गया 1. Similarly, second part we will also evaluate. It's cos A cos C minus of sin A sin C. अब देखिए cos A की वैल्यू हमने क्या निकाली है 1/2, cos C की वैल्यू है √3/2, sin A is √3/2 and sin C is 1/2. So it's √3/4 minus √3/4. Answer is coming as 0. Question number 10 is, in a triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PR plus QR is equals to 25 centimeter and PQ is equals to 5 centimeter. Determine the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. So in the question it says triangle PQR, right angle at Q. So I am making right angle at Q. PR plus QR is equals to 25 and PQ is equals to 5. I write it down as PQ5. Okay. From the equation में दूसरे साइड की वैल्यू निकाल लूंगी। PR plus QR is equals to 25. That means QR is 25 minus of PR. Okay. So plus PR will go to this side, so it will become minus. So QR is equals to 25 minus of PR. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से हम हाइपोटेन्यूज निकाल लेंगे। हमें पता है दिस इज हाइपोटेन्यूज, दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर एंड दिस इज बेस। h square is equals to p square plus of b square. Hypotenuse is not given. Perpendicular is 5 whole square. Base is 25 minus PR whole square. 5 square is 25. अब यहाँ पे जो फॉर्मूला लगेगा दैट इज a minus b whole square. a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square, that means 25 square is 625. B square is plus of PR square minus 2. A is 25 and B is PR. So it becomes the value as minus of 50 PR. Okay. Is equals to h square. And now what is h? H is also PR. So I'll just replace the value of h as PR. 625 plus 25, that means 650 plus of PR square minus of 50 PR. P square will get cancel out. Minus 50 PR इस साइड आ जाएगा is equals to 650. So 650 over 50, 0 will get cancel out and I am getting PR as 13. PR हमें 13 मिल गया. जैसे ही हमें PR 13 मिल गया है, QR हमें मिल जाएगा 25 minus of PR. That means I'll just replace the value of PR as 13 over here and I'm getting 12 as QR. Okay. So QR is 12 and PR is 13. So what we have to do next? We have to find sin P. अभी आप देखो sin P हमारा बेस पे नहीं है. I already told you we have to make sure that the angle whatever is given वो हमेशा बेस पे हो. यहाँ पे P की बात की गई थी, P बेस पे नहीं है. तो फिर से हमें ट्रायंगल को इस तरीके से रोटेट करना होगा कि एंगल बेस पे आ जाए. जो बेस है वो हमारा परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगा और जो परपेंडिकुलर है वो हमारा बेस हो जाएगा. तो हमारा यहाँ पे बेस क्या है? QR. वो हमारा परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स QR वैल्यू इज 12 एंड परपेंडिकुलर है हमारा PQ, वो बेस हो जाएगा. तो PQ इज 5 एंड PR इज ऑलरेडी 13. अब देखिए sin P हमारा बेस पे है. सिंपल फॉर्मूला हमें लगाना है. Sin P is what? Perpendicular over hypotenuse, that means 12 over 30. Similarly, cos P, base over hypotenuse, that is, base is what? 5 over 30. And tan P is perpendicular over base. Perpendicular is 12 and base is 5. Hope you understood this.